In this video, I'll show you how to restart your iPhone 6, 7, 8 or iPhone SE first generation when it's frozen or unresponsive. If your iPhone gets stuck on the Apple logo or the screen stops responding, there's an easy way to fix it without losing any data. A force restart is the best method when you can't interact with the screen, especially if you're unsure how to restart an older iPhone model with a home button. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With years of experience, we've helped many users resolve frozen iPhone issues on older models like the iPhone 6, 7, 8, and the SE first generation. In this video, I'll walk you through how to restart these models with just a few simple steps. Stay with me until the end to learn what to do if the iPhone still won't restart even after following the process in this video. Now, let's get started on how to restart older iPhones that come with the home button. Before we begin, let's locate the buttons we'll be using. First is the home button, which you'll find below the screen here. Then, there's the sleep wake button, also known as the side or power button, located on the right side of the iPhone here. Before we proceed, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more Apple tips. Next, let's move on to the actual sequence for force restarting various iPhone models with home buttons like the iPhone SE first generation, iPhone 6s, 7, 8, and their variants, plus the iPhone SE second generation. Press and hold both the power button and the home button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears. This can take about 10 seconds or more. Once the Apple logo appears, release both buttons. Your iPhone will shut down and restart on its own. It might take a few moments for the reboot process to complete, so be patient. The iPhone will reboot, and it may take about 1 minute to fully launch. These steps ensure you can safely reboot your device without losing data, even if it's stuck on the Apple logo or you're trying to figure out how to turn off an iPhone without the screen. But what if your iPhone still won't power back on after trying the force restart? No worries. In the video linked here, I'll guide you through additional steps to fix your unresponsive iPhone with a hard reset. Tap to watch it after this. To explore more Apple iPhone video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.